installation is complete. Now let us come to the demo of the Tutor Lite. So you have seen if the drivers are being installed from this particular link, you will also get a card. If you have lost the card, you can go to tutorplus.com/downloads, download the Iris driver and BrightClass driver. BrightClass driver's key will already be there in your kit. You need to activate once it is installed. Okay, and always use the manual calibration because external source can affect on auto C. That's why it's better always to use manual calibration. Once the manual calibration is complete, you have to make sure it's folded like this, so this IR is pointed towards the lens and the whole screen is calibrated. So when you're doing the calibration, make sure the IR is pointing towards the lens and the calibration is done this way. Slowly you have to make sure it's on the red point only, and the triangle has to be on the center. So once the calibration is complete, your touch will start working. And if you see the writing performance, to check the writing performance and to use our writing tool, what you can do is you can right now open BrightClass. I've already activated using the key that was given in the kit. Now coming to BrightClass, so if you see, this is the power option. So if you want to exit BrightClass, or you want to switch to energy mode, restart your laptop, or turn off for a second, or cancel, so these are the buttons here. Now this is the dashboard settings. So in dashboard settings, what you can do is you can set up your class name or your institute name, and you have your calendar where you can set up your daily schedules. You have, if you want to keep a different wallpaper, you have different wallpaper. And we have license plans. So if you want to use a cloud platform where you can go and upgrade this cloud platform. And to know more about cloud platforms, you can always send us email, and this is our support number. If you have any query, we are available on this number from Monday to Saturday. Now this is going to the desktop. So if you want to go out of the application and use some other tools outside of these applications, so this is the tool that can be used. And now if you go click on that icon, it will come back here, and this is the task view. Basically, what are the tabs that, and then you go back here. So this is the QR code. So if you have a cloud account, you can log in using the QR code. Now you can either type, or you have an option to log in using the QR code. Or if you have created a cloud account, there will be a QR generated. You can just put take a phone and then place it on your laptop camera, and then you can scan it and it can be used. Now coming back to here, if you want to add any particular apps, like if you have some apps running in your laptop, you can add them and it will appear on this main screen. And if you want to use any meeting platforms, all available here. Now if you want to just write on the whiteboard, so you can just click and the whiteboard will open. So we have different tools here. We have two types of pen. We have highlighter, we have eraser. In eraser we have point eraser, stroke eraser. You can even clear the complete canvas. We have geo tools, ruler, compass, protractor. We have text recognition, text invoke, math recognition, and then you have these smart draws. You have already generated shapes. You have screenshot option. You have import option, where you can import files from your storage of your PC, or you can import wirelessly. Currently is only for login users. Okay, and then what you can do is, if you want to use multiple tools here, we have a lot of tools here. If you want to use browser, if you want to use calculator, stopwatch, screen curtain, spotlight, this is laser. So if you turn on the laser pointer will be there. It's mainly used in presentation. And then we have Doodle. Basically Doodle is a third party, it's a different hardware. So if you have buying that hardware, this particular software can be used. iSet is basically for camera. Now you're using light. If you connect any particular Logitech camera or any branded camera which has camera and mic, if you open here, it will appear here. Or if your laptop has camera, this will open here. Like if I can just show it to you. So this camera, it will open the camera here. Okay. Next, coming back to some activity games, so like active learning, 3T, PHET, these are all basically fun learning applications that is part of BrightClass. And then you have Bright AI content. Bright AI content basically is like generated content. It is like an AI search. If you put any topic and if you do search, you will get all automatic generated contents that is of the AI generated. Next you have MyCloud. This is filtered search contents. Like if you want to search on any topic, you will get images, videos and text based on that. And if you want to add, suppose now I'm adding like a tree, okay, and then I do search here. So the result will come. I can just drop it here by dragging and dropping it to the canvas. Same thing I can do with images, same thing I can do with the text. I can just select and add here. And next is live quiz. Like if you want to engage your students in activities, like there's live quiz, and you can automatically generate some questions, and you can ask your students to basically scan the QR, and then this is live quiz. So basically if you create, then there will be a QR generated. Your students or anybody can join that QR and answer the question that you have asked here. Now live class is basically here you can go on YouTube live streaming. So you can enter your YouTube live streaming key, and when you start your YouTube, this particular page will be screened on the YouTube. Next is share. You can share this in different resolution, and you can save it in computer on a particular location, or generate a QR. So this is the two options when you can share. Either somebody can scan and download this particular PDF, or they can save it directly on the computer. Okay. And so this is another mode. So if you want to switch to different modes, like we have even IntelliSpace kind of UI, so or else BrightClass kind of UI, you can use it here. And these are different backgrounds you can switch to, and you can customize your background. And this is your recording feature, which you can record the complete screen. In recording also we have option. You can either connect a camera, along with your camera your screen will be recorded, or it will only record your screen. Now if you want, you can even minimize this, right? When you minimize also, it will become smaller, or else you can directly close this. Okay, it will always like ask you for saving, and it will save. And if you want to close this, exit BrightClass. You want to use this particular tool on any other platform. So now I have used a browser, or you can for that matter use any